Google Meet attendance extension. That one has this green checkbox, and I'll share that with you. First things first, you're going to go add your class list, but you're not going to see any of this until you're in Google Meet. So you have to open Google Meet. So go to your class list, add. So I'm going to add my class periods, period 1, and then I'm going to click this little green box, little spreadsheet here. Class was added. Great. Add another class, period 2. Again, hit that little spreadsheet, not the X, and your class is added. So on and so forth. And then I'm going to make another one just because we're going to have a staff meeting soon. And not that I'm really tracking staff, but I just want you to see how it works. So I'm going to add another class. I'll call it Bromit since that's the meeting code we're going to be using. Okay, so once I join the class, I'm going to get this pop-up just to let you know. You can close this. It's just letting you know all the little updates that he's done. So I'm going to close that. And nothing's happening right now, so I'm going to pause the video till some more students or class fellow coworkers join us. As you see, I have students that are now listed in the class. So at the top, you're going to want to hit that little eraser, and it's going to erase the fact that people had attendance or not. Now you'll notice that Mrs. Bracamonte now has a check mark next to her name, so do the other people that are currently in the meeting. Therefore, it's pulling attendance. What's going to happen now is when I exit this meeting, I'm going to get a spreadsheet and an HTML file. And that HTML file looks like this, and it will let me know who was in the meeting, how long they were in the meeting, and if we were in the meeting longer, it would last longer than that. So if you have more students than the 16 that's allowed in the grid view, make sure you hit this checkbox up here to allow all students. And what it's doing is it's pulling the names of all the students that it currently sees on the screen. So it's pulling all their names, and as you see, if I hit this eraser button, it will reload, and now there's more students in the class. Just hit the end button to hang up on the meeting, and this is what my screen looks like. And then down here at the bottom I have an HTML file that I can open up, and I can see all the students, well in this case it's all the teachers, of when everybody logged in, how long they stayed. You can kind of tell where Mr. Bromit said, hey, that's it for the meeting. So again, just to let you know, this shows you minutes and how long, people were actually in the meeting. And here's a CSV file, which is an Excel sheet, to let you see the attendance as well. I don't think I like it as well as I like this HTML file. To me, it makes more sense, and it also kind of separates things better. But a couple of people like this one better because it was just straight up, this is who was in the meeting and how long they were there. So again, these are the reports that automatically get made when you use this feature.